Hi kids, in today's session you are going to learn about demographic trends in India. First you should know about what is the meaning of demography. The scientific study of the characteristics of population is known as demography. What are the characteristics? Size of population, rate of growth, birth and death rates, density of population, sex ratio, life expectancy of birth, literacy ratio. These are all known as the demographic trends. That one, how it is in India only, we are going to check now. India, it is mostly populated country. Okay, in the world level, it ranks second in the population after China. In our country, most probably the Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, both are populated states. Due to rapid and frequent occurrence of epidemics like cholera, plague and influenza, and also due to the famine, there was a negative growth during the year 1911 to 1921. The year 1921 is known as the year of Great Divide because in this year the India's population was started to increase. During 1951 to population growth rate has come down from 1.33% to 1.25%. So it is known as the year of small divide. In 1961, again the population of India started to increase. So the 1961 year is known as the year of population explosion. 2011 census reveals growth of the youth population. It is described as demographic transition. Birth rate and death rate. Crude birth rate. It refers to the number of births per thousands of population. Crude death rate. It refers to the number of deaths per thousands of population. Birth rate was 39.9 in 1951. It fell to 21.8 in 2011. Kerala has the lowest birth rate and Uttar Pradesh has the highest birth rate. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh called as a Bimaru states have very high population. Density of population. It refers to the average number of persons residing per square kilometer. It represents the man-land ratio. As the total land area remains the same, an increase in population causes density of population to arise. Density of population we are calculating as total population divided by land area of the region. Bihar is the most densely populated state in the country, and also Kerala, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, this also having the higher density. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh, it is only the low density of population. Sex ratio, it refers to the number of females per thousand males. In India, the sex ratio is more favorable to males than to females. In Kerala, the adult sex ratio is 1084 as in 2011, and in Haryana only the very lowest sex ratio. Life expectancy at birth. It refers to the mean expectation of life at birth time. Life expectancy has improved over the years. Life expectancy is low when death rate is high and or instance of yearly death are high. Life expectancy is high when death rate is low and instance of yearly death rate are low. Literacy ratio. It refers to the number of literates as a percentage of the total population. In 1951, only 1/4 of the males and 1/12 of the females were literates. On an average, only 1/6 of the people of the country were literates. But in 2011, 82% of the males and 65.5% of the females were literates, which giving an overall literacy rate of 74.04%. Kerala has the highest literacy ratio and Bihar has the lowest literacy ratio in 2011. Thank you kids.